You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't want.
So everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is back with another brand new video. So guys, in this video we will discuss about one of the most top listed rewarding and gamified smart wallet. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification, because it's perfect idea you will be updated with upcoming videos also. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice, so do it with your own research. Study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return and you can save your assets by using this wallet, so it's a perfect opportunity. There are tons of feature in this wallet, so we will discuss further. So first we will discuss the main page, and after that I will tell you all the detail. Unlock a new function, rewards and more management and gaming never seen before in crypto. So recently I introduced many wallet like Tangent wallet, and there are plenty of wallets are available on my channel, but so this wallet is unique than the other wallet because it has massive features inside, and its safety, security, its reliability, each and everything is available under a single platform, so that's why it makes special. You can see here powered by, you can see Polygon, RBN, FTM scan, so optimism. So all you can see here, they are backing up this wallet. More than just a wallet, so don't think that it's just a wallet, because it's providing you a gaming facility. You can sell your NFTs, even you can keep your assets secure by using this wallet, so it's perfect. The world's first smart crypto wallet with the user reward. So you can see here how basically you can get reward, experience the future of gaming with the world of first smart crypto wallet, introducing the accelerating use to earn and play to earn. And next you can see a system that transform very action into the thrilling game. So you can see here the details are there. So you can see here the revolutionize your wallet experience with the first ever a DeFi wallet, and you can see it's a DeFi wallet. So featuring prepare, could you can top up with crypto and points with every transaction and boost your reward with the exclusive NFTs. So basically when you made any sort of transaction, so you will be rewarded in the shape of NFTs. So it's huge benefits that they are providing. So the second thing that inspired me to introduce this wallet, that they have tons of feature inside. You can see events and contracts. You can see here ledgers. So all levels and all benefits are available, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see that. And next you can see intuitive multi-chain swap, and discover the borderless crypto swap, trade, earn, transfer smoothly across the chain. So you need not worry about anything if you want to transfer your funds. So it's quite secure. They have a very strong partners community who's backing up this platform. I already told you that I never introduce kind of platform where even there are less amount of risk involved. So I always try my best to verify, to study that, and after that, if I think it's perfect for my community and my community can keep their assets safe or generate the best return in the future, so I introduce kind of platform. Next, you can see here genesis of Defora. So you can see here showdown worm and next slide forget. So these are the informations are very important that I'm providing you. Next we will see the phase 2. You can see here the mint is live at the moment. A mint NFT into number of the mint below, it's up to you. So you can mint here and connect your wallet or MetaMask. And next you can see here discover the power of Defora. So you can see here the details are there. NFT royalties amplified. Next you can see here engagement, mystery spark. Next progressive earning and bonuses. So a lot of benefits are there. Next you can see the profit or calls. Next you can see discover your passive income potential with our swap fee and sharing Oracle. So you can see here a daily swap is 250, and next you can see NFT supply is 10,000 on NFTs. So here you can see monthly revenue $388 and daily revenue is $13. And next NFT fusion and upgrade. So you can see here how basically it works. So you can see here, you will click on that, you can get more information regarding that. So this is the information that I'm providing you. Empower your NFT with the unique upgrades. Upgrade NFT boosted arbitrage and trail with unique strength and points, quiz and task boost up NFT strength. Redeem consumable NFTs to essential upgrade materials from the level 1. So you can see here all informations are there, so you can get more information regarding that. You can download their app on Google Play Store, and you can download app store also. The links are mentioned in below. You can see here if you have any question and query, you can approach the team and get more information, because it's a matter of your investment, it's a matter of the security of your crypto assets. It's very important to verify each and everything. So I will post all the links in description. If you have any question and query, please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding this wallet. So one thing I'm requesting again, so it's very important to join their community. When you join their community, you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this wallet. Next, you can see here further informations are there, so I will share with you more information about that. You can see here its details are there, like wallets information. So here you can see all details are there, so like introductions, and next you can see here how basically it works. So each and everything is mentioned. It's very important to study and verify each and everything. So guys, hope so you briefly understand about that. So we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.